Hello friends, on this video here you can see I want to exchange this stylish winter hoodie and it's too tight for me, so that's why I want to exchange it. So how you can exchange? And friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, you have to tap on that cloth or any of the clothes that you want to exchange. Then after that, from here you're going to find this page, and from here you have to scroll on the down. Okay, you can check from here your order tracking. Here it has been delivered and I want to exchange it. Here is the exchange or return order option. Okay, so friends, you have to click on return and exchange order, and it's available till 12th December. So I just tap on it. After that, from here you can see select reason for return or exchange: product not needed anymore, quality issue, size fit issue, damage used product, which one origin. Okay, that it's fitting or there is the damaged product. Okay, so it's issue for the fitting. Then I just click on the size or fit issue. Then after that, from here you can see what is the size issue, issue with size. Then here's first of all is the size correct but too tight. Okay, I select the first icon, but second is the size correct but too loose and didn't like for the fit. Okay, you can select from here from these three icons. Okay, I select the first icon. Then after that, from here what you want to do is the return or exchange. Then you can select from the first icon or the second icon. Okay, but I want to exchange it, so I just tap on exchange. After that, from here you can select choose another size. So I select from here first of all I ordered M size, but it's too tight, so I select the L. Okay, then from here I click on submit. Okay friends, and here it has been successfully updated. Here's the message. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video and hope you understand how you can exchange. See, here's the message: pick up. It will pick up from today only. Okay, and friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.